Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I bring a new course on Excel which is related to Excel add-ins, and it is structured as follow. So first we will upload the add-in tab for some Excel file where it's not automatically available. Next I'll teach you about QR code creation, calendar, GPT for Excel, and Excel to Word automation. This course will be available in both English and French. So first of all, we will upload the add-in tab. As my Excel is in French, I prepared some screenshots here for the English version. So first we will move to File, next Options, and Customize Ribbon. File, Options, next Customize Ribbon. So for an easier search, we will choose all tabs, which is tous les onglets. And here next to Accueil, which is Home, we will select Complément, which are the add-ins. And once selected, we click on Ajouter, which is Add. So this is how to add this tab for the files that do not have it. And we move next to the first part of the course, which is QR code creation. So we go here to add-ins. So if it's not directly available here, you will choose it in the list below and click on Add, which is Ajouter. So QR Office, and here we need to paste the link of the desired page to create a QR code for it. So for example, for me, I will take the main screen of my YouTube channel, copy, and I'll paste it here. As you may see here, there is an HTTPS, so which is already put here. I just choose here HTTPS, the same as the one I have here, and I erase this part. You also have the option to customize the color of the code and its background. So for example, I can put red here and red here, or black or white, or any color you may prefer, and insert. And you have here the QR code, which you can take a picture of or print it in paper to share it to any people. So we are here in the first part where we learned how to add a QR code. In the next video, we'll talk about the calendar add-ins.